Ooh, wash. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So why I use this one? Because there's some way you can take a screenshot from your computer screen. The first way is use your keyboard shortcut, because that is normally I used the keyboard shortcut to take screenshot about 3 years ago. So that is in the past, and now I use another tools which I will mention in this video. So the first way you can take screenshot on your computer, on your Windows 10 computer, is to use this one. You press and hold Window key and find the print screen button on your keyboard, and then you can take full screen. That take a snapshot of full screen, okay? And then you press and hold this Alt button and then press print screen, and you can take a screenshot of a window. That's easy, right? But I never use it now. So that was a few years ago. Now I use a very powerful software called Snagit. So I will show you why I choose it, because you know that I'm not only a YouTuber, I have two YouTube channels, and also I run another two different websites, e-learning support and Jacky. So when I'm not making YouTube video, I write article about software review and discount coupons, and I also do one-on-one training. So I need a program that help me save my time, and also taking quick screenshot and add annotation and add text to the screenshot quickly. And I also need to create step-by-step tutorial on my website. I think Snagit is one of the best one. I know that there's many other screenshot tools on the market, but by the way, I think Snagit is the best one for me. So I will show you how I use it. And this is not a free software, but the price is very affordable. It is just about it is $49.99 US, and it's available on Windows and Mac and in some different language. If you want to purchase the software, I also have a 10% discount coupon code we have put in the description below. And maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, in my live stream event, I will give away 2 license, because TechSmith decided to sponsor my video here on YouTube and give away some license for my viewers. And with Snagit, you can have 15 days free trial, so you can download the software, the link and put in the description. And if you are lucky, maybe tomorrow you can get the license. Alright, so here I am on my computer, and this is Snagit. When you install it on your computer, you have two programs. The first one is the screen capture tools, and the second one is a Snagit image editor. So the first tool, we are going to open Snagit capture tool. Okay, here is Snagit capture tool. So for me, it's very simple to use. You have some option, 3 options on the left, all-in-one and image and video, and then you can select your what you want to capture in the middle, and then you have some option on the right, and finally you have a capture button. It is very simple. Maybe it take about 5 minutes for you to learn how to use it, but being mentioned that there's some toolbar menu here where you can access to the capture preferences. For example, if you want to change the theme of your Snagit, you can go to general, and you can check it here, and you can also run Snagit when Windows startup. But for me, I just leave it by default. Okay, and let's click OK. And on the left side of the capture tools is 3 main function of Snagit. You can select all-in-one, and then you select this capture button, and then you can select any area on the screen or full screen. If you click on this button, you can go full screen, or you can just grab an area on the screen and then you release your mouse. Then here you have the option to capture screen, record video, or panoramic capture. Panoramic capture is useful when you want to capture a long web page. Now we cannot simply do by grabbing the screen like the tool I show you at the beginning of this tutorial. Okay, so for example, if you take capture an image, it will be in your Snagit editor. So that is the first option. And the second option, if you go to image, and then you can have the option to select a region, window and full screen, and also scrolling window and panoramic capture. So I think the panoramic capture is something special in Snagit. So I'm going to show you how to capture a panoramic image. Okay, so let's open a web page. For example, this is my my website, e-learning supporter. So I want to capture from the beginning of the web page to the end of the web page, like this. Other simple screen capture tool cannot do this, but Snagit can do. Okay, so let's go back to Snagit, and then we select panoramic here. Being mentioned that you can also add effect if you want, and add effect and share, but all these effect and sharing option here can be found in the image editor. So normally I will go to the image editor, and then I share my image, and then we can click on capture. Now we can select this one. Just left click on your mouse, left click, and then we can start. Click this button to start. Okay, then now it start capturing, and we can scroll down our mouse to the end of the web page. Okay, just do it. All right, so when we are at the end of the web page, just click again. No, sorry, just find in this toolbar again, and then click stop. Before you click stop, you can see that there's a preview of the capture image on the right side, and click stop. So we go to now Snagit will create an image or screenshot, and then go to the image editor. Here is the screenshot that captured by Snagit. You see that it is very nice and high quality. Okay, so this is the image editor, and let's go back to the screen capture tools. Okay, so we are back with the screen capture tools. So there are many other screen capturing options here, such as grab text, and when you go to advanced, you are able to capture an object on the screen and multiple areas and so on. So be sure to check it out. But now let's go to the image editor. I will show you some interesting feature of this program. Okay, so let's open the editor. So you see here, this is the image that we capture. I want to talk a little bit about this interface. On the top left, you have also the toolbar menu where you can access to all the tools of the program, such as sharing option and view and help to activate your license and deactivate your license. Down below, you have three main category. Here you have a library. So Snagit has a library that control all the media on your computer. When you select here, you see that this is Snagit library. It is sort and find all the image and video on your computer, and you can easily just click here and drag and drop it into the image editor. So that is the first option, and here's the capture. We bring back to the capture tools. I have just shown you. And this one is a new things in Snagit 2020 and Snagit 2021. So this is the 2021 version. You have the possibility to create image from template. So there are many templates right inside the program when you install. And you have the video. You can create video from image. This one is cool because sometimes I want to make a short tutorial. So I just want to put a text, have some screenshot on the screen, and then I start talking. So it's like a presentation, but this is short. It is better than just open the screen recording and we have to use our mouse and talking in front of the camera and live setup like this. So I will show you in just a moment, but let's come back to how to edit the screenshot first, because it is also very interesting. Okay, so let's click here to go back to the editor. So this is a screenshot, but I'm not going to use this. Let's use another one. Okay, this is a screenshot that I take from that I took from TechSmith online store. So you see that this is just a normal screenshot, and now you are able to add different annotation to this screenshot, such as arrows, arrow like this. Okay, and then you can customize your arrow here, even the end point and start point and line and width and opacity and size. So there's so many options here to customize your annotation. There is arrow, and then you have text here. You can add different type of text, but it is my theme. Remember, being mentioned that Snagit allow you to create your theme, your own theme to make all the screenshot or all the annotation you add to your screenshot in the same style. But it is my theme. But normally when you install the program, you have the basic and urban, and you can also import new theme if you have other Snagit user who create a new theme and then share with you. But for example, this is a basic one, and when you install the program, I think it's almost everything you need to annotate the screenshot. For example, I want to add a text right here. I just grab the text, and then I can select the size, and then I type. Okay, so let's go back to the move tool, and then I want to move it down here. For example, because I have a discount coupon website, so I have 10% off for Camtasia. I can just take a screenshot on their website, on Snagit, on their text, on TextMeet online store, and then I correct it and I put on my website. It's a screenshot, and I edit the text and image. So that's simple. For example, we put the 10% off here, and then we can customize the font size. I can change it here either, and the line width I can just reduce it. Here I can enable and disable the shadow. Okay, so let's get the shadow from here. The outline we can pick any color here. So you set this color. Oh no, normally red will fit with white color, white background color. Okay, and this one. Okay, and we can change the fill. The fill mean the text. So that is very simple, and I think some other screenshot software can do also, but it is something special. Let's delete this one and delete this one. You see that this is the price, right? This one, and this is the price. How about I want to change this price to 200, for example, $200 for example. Normally, for other program, we need to cover it with a shape, and then we type out and find the fonts and type. But in Snagit, it is very simple. You just go to the tool property, and you enable this smart move. I just enable it, and now it will identify everything on the screenshot, which you can move easily, and you can even edit it. So yeah, just a second now. Okay, so it will highlight the thing that you can move. For example, this logo, I can move it to the right or move it to the left, or maybe I can delete it. But when you move it to the right, so it will automatically fill up the empty space with the color around it. So it's nice, right? And then we can move back here. That is you can just move things here on the screen, and even this one, and even this text, I can move it completely. No, I move it outside or anywhere, or delete it. So that is move tool. But I can also double click. I double click on the text and I correct it like $200, right? Now I click away, and now we have the same text and the same fonts and the same style, and we can even edit all the text here in my directly on my screenshot. So it's very powerful, right? And sometimes I just select this, and I select all of this, delete all of this. So sometimes I just take a screenshot of an image on the internet and bring it back to my computer, so I can edit it and turn it to my style. So that's very simple, right? And we have all the tools here. For example, stamp and fill, and even you want to blur sensitive information on your screenshot, it's also very simple. Here you have the blur tool, and then you can blur this one. You can select an area on the screen, and then you have the option to change the property of the blur here. And you can also put step-by-step tutorial. That is what I normally do when creating a tutorial on my website. This is for example, this is step 1, and you can highlight. I put it here. This is step 2, and this is step 3 and 4 and 5. So it is very useful. Being mentioned that all these are quick tools, and then you can click here for more tools, even the eraser. You can also erase things on the screen like this, similar to Smart Tool, but you can erase everything on the screen. But that is just something about the editing tools in Snagit. But there's I mentioned two other options here. You can create from image from templates. So let's just select this option, and here we have then a bunch of options here. You see, but these are actually I have downloaded some more template of Snagit already. So if you just install Snagit, you have a fewer template here. But never mind, you can click here to download more template from Snagit. And Snagit has an online resource from TechSmith. They create a resource for Snagit. When you purchase the program, you are able to access to that store and download. But you need to sign in, of course. And when you download Snagit, it will require you to sign in to your account. Okay, here I have my account, and for example, here we browse own template, right? This is own stamp, own template, and own theme. For example, stamp is also many. We can browse own stamp, and of course, this is there's premium access, and there are free access. If you just purchase Snagit and you have free access, but there are many free access here. And you can check it out. The description. I can uncheck the premium to see the free stamp. Okay, and click apply. So here all the free stamp here, and you just need to click here to download. So I think this is very useful for creating online training materials, so just making tutorial or maybe e-learning courses. And this is just stamp, and we can click here for more for interface, and this is free. And if you check on this premium, you have more. And we have a templates, we have a frame, we have many other, and theme and photo, and for example, this is theme. We can download more because they create many theme here, and then you just download this and import it into Snagit. Let me show you how to import a theme. Here we have a theme here, and then this is a basic. You can click on this, just a moment, click on this button. No, I'm in the templates, so create a template. I'm sorry, create a template. Okay, let's go back to create a template first. And here we can choose many different templates. But for example, a basic 3-step portrait, and then we select it. Now we can click here to create. It will create a template right here. Let's click to move tool again, and here is a drop area of your image. You can drag and drag your image from here and drop to here. So let's go here. I just have a quick tutorial. So okay, so we're going to drag and drop these 3 images. Okay, go back to the template, and then we just drag and drop this, for example, just an example, and this one to this area to create a template, and this one to this area. So we can also change the title. Is how to find a file on your computer. For example, this is just the title, and then we can add a subtitle here using Snagit, right? And then we can add a caption here. For example, caption number 1, step 1. For step 1, open your computer. Okay, and do the same with step 2 and step 3. and we mentioned that when you click here, you double click on the image here, you can also resize it. Resize. Now double click on the image, then you can resize the image, resize and move the image to fit with the screen like this. And you can also replace the first image with the second image by just drag and drop it, and drag and drop it. Okay, swap. You can click here, and then you can click on swap, and that will replace the first and the second, right? The first step and the second step. So that is how you can create an image, maybe a step-by-step tutorial from image in Snagit. It's a very useful. And now I will show you how to import and export your theme. Here we have a theme here, and then we can click here to create a new theme. New theme meaning that you need to select a color. Here, for example, this color, you like this color, and it becomes the theme here. And this theme will include all the callouts such as text, arrow, and shape, stamp, everything here in Snagit image editor. And in Snagit 2021, you have the option to enable and disable the shadow. This shadow, okay, enable and disable a shadow. And you have your name here, for example, Snagit theme 1. Okay, just an example. And then you click on create. It will become Snagit theme 1 here. But that is how you can create a theme. And now how you can export. You have the import here, right? And also you have the option on the right. You can click here and you can export it and share it with your friends. Maybe I will create some more theme. If you have Snagit now installed on your computer, I can create my theme and I share with you. Okay, so you can import new theme here. Click on import, and then you choose the theme. For example, the theme that you have just downloaded from the website. So that is how to create and export and import the theme. And let's click cancel. So the final thing I want to show you is to create a video from image. It's a very interesting feature. Let's click on this, and now Snagit will open the screen capture, screen recording software. Here we have the ability to record microphone, and this is a record webcam function. When we record, we can select multiple image on the tray below, and then we can start record. But let's start with the webcam. I don't know if it is a conflict with my screen recording or not, but I will use my integrated webcam. Okay, so that's nice. Yeah, it's okay to use my integrated webcam because now I use my Canon with my Camtasia screen recorder. Okay, and now we can start recording. 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is Snagit training, and this is how to take a screenshot and edit your screenshot in Windows 10. Okay, so that is the okay, let's go to Snagit, and then I can turn off my my webcam. I start talking, and this is a how to find a file on your computer step-by-step tutorial is Snagit. If you find it interesting, let's subscribe to my channel, and then I can stop the recording. This is my recording inside Snagit. Hello, this is Snagit image editor, and there's some portion that I don't want to use. I can also select it and then I cut it. This is just a simple video editing tool in Snagit. Finally, I have the ability to share it into GIF or PNG. Okay, so that is almost everything about how do I take a screenshot on the screen. I know that there's some other option here, such as when you have a screenshot and then you have a tool here, or the tool shape, callout. You can add to your screen, but this is very easy. You can find it yourself. And we have an effect here. For example, if I want to add a border for my image, I can adjust the Y and then I click apply. And you can also add capture information and file filter and some other option here. but you need to find out it yourself. Finally, you can share it, share your screenshot with different platform, and also save it to your computer. Normally I will save it to my computer, but you know that Snagit will let you share it on screencast.com, which is a free hosting server of TechSmith. When you install Snagit and register an account with them, it has 2 GB free, and you can upload your this screenshot to screencast.com, and I click on that, and then you share the link with your friends and your college, and okay, and get link, right? We can get link, and then we can share it with our friends and put it in our email or something like that. Alright, so I think it's too long for this video. I just want to make a short video, but it turned out to be too long because there's so many things to talk to to explain to you. But because there's so many things to explain to you about this software. Okay, so this is the most important information. I will go live stream about this evening or tomorrow to give away 2 license. The rules is that you comment on this video, leave your email here, so that I can during my live stream I can pick up the winner. So there are 2 winners. Each winner will have one Snagit 2021 license. It's cost for $49.99. Okay, be sure to comment on this video and leave your email below, and also share this video with your friends and your college and on anywhere you want, and you have chance to win Snagit license during my live stream. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.